Bikemap app cycling honest review. Watch before using. Most people think cycling apps only track rides, but you won't believe what happens next when your phone becomes your navigation guide. Bikemap app is a cycling route app with millions of mapped bike routes around the world. It helps cyclists find safe, scenic, and efficient paths. The surprising truth is that Bikemap app includes hazard warnings, surface type info, and elevation data. Most people get this wrong. They rely only on free features. Offline navigation and voice guidance require paid plans. Bikemap app is best for urban commuters and bike travelers. The surprising truth is that safer routes lead to better rides. Subscribe for more honest cycling app reviews that help you ride smarter.